Hello everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make some easy money online at your home without having any skill. You just have to watch TikTok videos. Yes guys, you just have to watch TikTok videos to earn money online at your home. You can make up to 100 to $200 on daily basis by watching TikTok videos. It is very easy method guys, and the most important part is guys, it is the worldwide opportunity. It doesn't matter where you live. You can make money online by watching TikTok videos without having any skill. You just have to create your TikTok account, and almost every people are on TikTok because there are 800 million TikTok users right now. So you may have already a TikTok account. If you don't have, then you can create it, and you can start earning money online by watching TikTok videos. I will show you everything on live screen with the proof. So please try to watch this video till the end. Do not miss any part of this video. And guys, in this video I will only talk about the topic guys. I will not do any types of personal talk. So please try to watch this video till the end and do follow my method which I am going to share in this video right now. And guys, the best part is not much people know about this method. This is the new method guys, so there is a very less competition in the market right now, so you can easily make 100 to $200 on daily basis. So guys, if you are interested to earn this amount of money online at your home without having any skill by just watching some simple TikTok videos, then please do watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. But guys, before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Guys, to earn money online by watching TikTok videos, what you have to do is you just have to come here on this website, and the website name is linkolider.com. And on this website you can sign up by using your Google account or Facebook account. It is very easy guys. Basically what you have to do is here you have to come on this website, you have to sign up, and here you have to watch TikTok videos and you have to follow the account. And guys, if you follow some account for the following other people account guys, you will get some token guys. Here you can see here I have 20 tokens in my account, and guys, you can convert this token into the dollar, and you can withdraw this money into directly your PayPal account. But guys, I will show you some other method in which you can use this token to earn more and more money online. So please try to watch this video till the end. This video is going to be very interesting video guys. So here you just have to come on this website and you have to sign up on this website, and you have to come here on TikTok followers, and here you have to click on follow button, and this will open TikTok account. You can see guys, I'm sorry for bad internet connection. It's happened right now because of lockdown and coronavirus. As you can see guys, here you just have to click on follow button, and you don't have to close this tab, and you have to come here on this website and you have to click on verify button. And you can see guys, I got 50 tokens. You can do the same work again and again, and you can earn some token into your account, and I will show you how you can use that token to earn money online. And guys, if you are like this video, then please don't forget to give me a like on this video, and also please do share your best comment as well. It will motivate me a lot. This is the easy method guys. Anyone can do this job. You just have to create TikTok account, and you have to create an account on this website. You can see guys, some people are giving 40 tokens as well for one follow button, but guys, some people are giving 50 tokens for one follow. So guys, you have to do the same work again and again, and you have to earn some coin into your account. You can see guys, I just click on verify button. I think I should have to watch. I think I should have to wait here. I immediately come here, so I do not get 50 tokens right now, but it's okay. I have other account. I just click here. So guys, I hope you will understand what you have to do. You just have to follow this account right now, and you will get token into your website account, and you just have to click here verify. You can see 25 tokens added. And now let me show you how you can use this token to earn money online at your home. And what you have to do next is you just have to come here and you have to open fiverr.com. If you don't know anything about Fiverr is a freelancing platform, guys. Here you can sell anything if you have any skill, but if you don't have any skill, still you can earn money online using fiverr.com. Here on this website you can sell YouTube subscriber, TikTok followers, Instagram followers, etc, etc. So here I'm just typing TikTok followers. I just type TikTok followers here. Let me convert my money into the dollar so you can understand everything better. People are selling TikTok followers here on fiverr.com. So you have to create your account here on fiverr.com. It is very easy, guys. I have already made so many videos about Fiverr, and you can easily create your account here by using your email and Google account. You can see, guys, it has very less competition. 283 services are available, because this is the method, guys, which not much people know right now. So let me open some random gig, guys, so I can show you how much money people are making from Fiverr selling TikTok followers. You can see, guys, this person has 31 orders in queue. You can see, guys, it is huge, guys, and the package is $5, $40 and $60. Let me show you another account. You can see 16 orders in queue, $20 basic price. You can see, guys, they all are doing the same work, guys. They sell TikTok followers. Let me type another keyword. I can type here. I just type 1000 TikTok followers. You can see, guys, only 12 service available, and you can sell your TikTok follower, 1000 TikTok follower, for $50, and your client will send you his or her TikTok link. And what you have to do is you just have to come here and you have to click on submit a website link, and you have to click on TikTok page, and here you have to paste your client's TikTok URL, and you just have to set your reward button. You can pay from 10 to 50 reward. I would recommend you to go with 10 or 15 reward first, and you just click on submit button, and you will start getting followers. And for every one follower, 10 token will cut from this token you have right now. So, guys, it is very easy. Anyone can do this without having any skill. Other thing which I can recommend you is, you can see, guys, these people are selling 1000 TikTok follower for $50. What you can do is you can come here on this website. You can buy tokens here. If you don't have money right now to buy token, then please do not buy. This is one shortcut, guys. You can make more money by investing some less amount of money. And here you can see, guys, by investing $70 here, you will get 145,000 plus token. Let me open my calculator so I can show you. I just click on calculator button, and you can see, guys, with $70 you will get 145,000 tokens, and for one follower you will have to invest 10 tokens. So, guys, for $70 you will get 14,500 tokens. And, guys, here you can sell 1000 TikTok follower for $50. You have to invest $70 to get 14,000 plus follower. And here on this website fiverr.com, you can sell 1000 TikTok followers for $50. It is huge profit, guys. And you can see, guys, there are only 12 services available, so you can easily rank on this website on this search term, 1000 TikTok follower. If you don't have any idea about how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr, you can watch my free tutorials. There are so many tutorials are available here on my channel. You can watch any one of them. And, guys, if you want some extra value, you can check out my course as well. With this course, I show how I make $10,000 in 3 months from Fiverr. It's up to you, guys. But you can rank your gig by watching my free videos as well. But if you want some extra value, you can buy my course. It's up to you, guys. This is the method, guys, which I want to show you. It is very easy, guys. Not much people know about this method right now. It has very less competition. You can see, guys, I easily earn 125 token. If I do the same work again and again for 1 hour or 30 minutes, I would definitely earn 1000 plus token. And, guys, you can convert your token into the TikTok follower, and you can sell here on fiverr.com. You can see, guys, people are making so much money with this. and it is very easy to do this, guys. I show everything on live screen step by step. So guys, please don't waste your time right now. Just go on this website linkolider.com and set up your account, and set up your TikTok account as well if you don't have, and start getting tokens here and sell your TikTok services on Fiverr. If you get order on Fiverr, you can get TikTok followers from this website. So guys, I hope this video will helpful to you. If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me. This is the new method, guys, which not much people know, so I think I should share with my audience. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and share your best comment as well, and subscribe my this channel for more latest video. Thank you so much, guys.